Good morning, girls. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 3, that is more on Windows 10. What is this Windows? Windows is an operating system. Okay. So what is an operating system? I'll give you an example. Suppose I understand only English and I have to conversate with someone who understands only Hindi. And if we both want to communicate with each other, there is a language barrier. So what we can do is we can keep any mediator in between, and whenever I speak something in English, the mediator will convert it into Hindi. And when the person who speaks in Hindi says something, the mediator will convert it into English. So like this, it becomes easy for me and my friend to communicate who don't have a common language. Similarly, in computers, a computer understands only binary language, that is 0 and 1. And we, a human being, we understand only English. So when we type something on computers, we use simple English language, but computer doesn't understand English. So what this operating system is a mediator in that. So what operating system will do, will convert whatever we type in English in the form of binary form that the computer understands. And when computer gives certain results or something, at that time operating system will convert it into the form that we understand. So like this way, operating system acts as a mediator between a user and a computer. Fine. So it is a system software, means compulsory software. You cannot have any computer without operating system. See, a mobile phone is also a type of operating system. So when you purchase mobile phone, okay, you ask your friend, oh, you bought a new mobile phone. Which is it, an Android one or iOS? So what is this? Android, iOS, these are the operating systems. Fine. So operating system acts as a mediator. How it acts as a mediator? It converts the language of the human being into the form that computer understands, and vice versa. Beside this, it also does many other functions like resource management, memory management, etc. Now we are studying Windows 10. Okay. So what is this 10? You all are familiar with Windows 7 and all. So what is this Windows 10? So it is an upgraded feature. Okay. The most recent version of Windows is Windows 10 that we are going to study. So this 10 tells you the version of Windows operating system that we are using. Fine. So the next is accessories. What are the accessories? So when you install operating system, there are some predefined programs that got installed automatically. So these are calculator, notepad, picture folder, music folder, disk cleaner. Okay, we are going to study all these accessories in details, but when you download or when you install operating system on your computer, these accessories, these are the additional features, they automatically get inserted in your computer. We have studied that what is an operating system, why is this written as Windows 10, okay, it tells the version of the Windows. Then we have studied about accessories. The additional features of the Windows operating systems are known as accessories. How can you view those accessories option? For that, you have to click on the start button on program, and there you can type accessories and you can see list of accessory items like notepad, disk cleaner. One of the more feature is Windows Media Player. What is this Windows Media Player? It is an accessories. It comes under accessories. Using this option, you can play, copy your CDs. Okay. Even if you have your computer connected to internet, you can view various stations, listen to the music, you can watch videos using Windows Media Player. So in here you see that all the media files are organized in Windows Media Player. Now the next thing is, what is RIP and what is burning of a CD? RIP means when you copy something from CD to your computer. Okay. For example, you bought a CD, okay, of suppose some annual function or something, and you want to view that CD. Your friend also want to view the same CD at the same time. What can you do? You can copy the CD, all the contents of the CD on your computer, and you can give the CD to your friend. And then that friend can copy that CD on the computer and can give the CD to someone else. So that is known as RIP, when you copy the contents from the CD to your computer. Fine. And what is burning of a CD? Burning of a CD is when you copy the data to your CD. That is, when you have copied the contents of a CD on your computer, and now from your computer you want to copy those contents to a CD. Okay. So from the computer to the CD, when you put the contents from a computer to a CD, it is known as burning of a CD. So am I clear that when you copy the contents from the CD to computer, it is RIP, and when you copy the data on your computer to your CD, that is a burning of a CD. We will be learning how can we display two windows at a time. Suppose you're typing something or you're listening to the music in Windows Media Player. Okay, this is one window where you are listening to the song on Windows Media Player. Then you open one more software of a PowerPoint. Okay, so the PowerPoint slides are there. So at the time, if you're listening to the song and this window is there, when you will click for the PowerPoint, it will overlap this window and PowerPoint window will be displayed on it. But if you want to view both the windows side by side, at that time what you will do is you'll click on a taskbar. Okay, right click on the taskbar, and there it is an option to display windows side by side. So you will choose that option, display windows side by side, and you can view both the windows side by side. Look here in your book also, they have explained this, that right click on the taskbar, then this options, shortcut menu will be displayed. From here you will choose an option, show windows side by side, and you can view your two windows side by side like this. Fine. Last topic for today is disk cleanup. What is disk cleanup? As the name says, cleaning up of the disk. Okay, means removing the unwanted files from the disk or the file that are no longer useful. So deleting the files from the disk or drive that are not necessary for you, you delete those files because they are occupying the memory space unnecessary. So that is your disk cleanup. Disk cleanup, there are two types of deletion that you do. One is a permanent and the second is temporary deletion. So what is temporary deletion? If you right click and delete certain file or program, it goes into a recycle bin. And if you want to restore that file, you can restore it from the recycle bin. So that is your temporary deletion. But if you delete the contents of the recycle bin also, then it is permanent deletion. You cannot restore that file back then. Okay, I give you a simple real world example. In your home, you have a dustbin. For the entire day, whatever garbage, whatever you find unnecessary things at your home, you throw it in the dustbin. Okay, and in case if you think that, oh, that paper was necessary for me, you can retrieve it back from the recycle bin. Okay, but the next day when the municipal corporation people come and they take the garbage from your home, that is your permanently, you're dumping the waste permanently. Means now you cannot retrieve it from there. It is gone from your home. So that is your permanent deletion. Similarly, in computers also, there is temporary deletion when you delete the items and they go to recycle bin. That is temporary, from where you can restore the items. And permanent deletion is when you will delete the content from the recycle bin also. In that case, the files are now permanently deleted. You cannot retrieve it back. Fine. Disk cleanup is an accessory of Windows 10. Means when you install Windows 10, it comes automatically on your computer. How can you use this disk cleanup? Again, start program. In accessories, you find disk cleanup option. You can run this and you can select any drive. Suppose you want to clean up drive D. So you can click on drive D. All the unnecessary or the files that are no longer useful will be deleted from there. Fine. So today we have studied about what is an operating system. It is an interface between user and computer. We studied about why Windows 10. Windows 10 means the version of the Windows. Fine. Accessories, the additional features that come when you install Windows 10 are the accessories. And what comes under accessories? The first we did was Windows Media Player. Okay, the picture option, the picture folder, and the disk cleanup one. Then we studied what is RIP and what is burning a file. Okay, and in disk cleanup we studied what is permanent deletion and what is temporary deletion. So girls, in the next class we will be studying the last topic of this chapter. So keep studying, keep revising. Thank you.